Good morning, good morning. We are making our way to Glorietta from Poblacion. So we're just gonna walk over there and show you guys around all the nice buildings. Kind of cloudy today. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but we'll see. You'll never know. That's what's good about Manila, is you'll never know when it's gonna rain. This is the famous Pier Burgers. I'll show you what it looks like at nighttime. This place is really lit. Lots of actions happening at nighttime here, but I'll give you a tour later. Check it out. It's about to rain, yo. That thing's about to pour. We're gonna get some heavy rain coming. Oh, I can feel it right now. It's a little bit of drizzle. Look at this new thing they're setting up here. Glorietta Malls. Margarita. Yo, it's nice to be back. It is Saturday morning and we are walking to Glorietta from Poblacion, which is back there. You can see, I don't know if you can see, just straight shot to Ayala Avenue, and then we're making a left here going to Glorietta. I heard that their malls are now connected, so they're all connected. So instead of having one mall going outside, you can actually walk all of the malls within the mall. Yeah, right? So it's gonna be pretty convenient. So we're coming up on, can't remember the street, but oh yeah, should be Ayala Avenue next. But check this out, all the greens here. See, nice thing I like the Philippines every time I come home is that it's just super chill. There's not a lot of pressure. I feel like it's very slow paced, even with the, you know, technology nowadays, and like people working from home remotely. Just feels like it's very slow moving. You're not rushed to doing things. You know, obviously there's a downside to that, but I mean, you know, that's what we like. I don't know what, you know, you're getting older like me, you want things to slow down a bit, you know, can't catch up with the high pace, high demand. So just found the Central Park of the Philippines. This literally looks like the Central Park. I mean, it's bigger in New York, but essentially you have the green area and place for everybody to exercise. A lot of people actually go jog, walk around this area. It's called the Ayala Triangle. And as you can see, surrounded by massive tall buildings, as you can see there. And then it opens up here, which you'll see now. That exactly looks like it. So you ever been to Central Park, New York? This is what it looks like. Got all the tall buildings right there. I just want to show you this really cool place that resembles the Central Park of New York. Close, but you know, better weather, better people, I would say. So, yeah. Cool. Took us about 15 minutes from Poblacion to here. Not a bad walk. I'd say probably, you know, 3,000-4,000 steps if you're into that. But yeah, we're here. Glorietta Mall. Right there. So now we're just gonna cross. Still deciding. got done at the yakisoba place. So now we're gonna try to burn off calories, walk around, maybe get about 200 calories. We'll see. Straight to SM.
Well, that's about it, guys. Pretty much we're just walking around through here, looking at some more shops, trying to burn off those calories. We didn't quite make it to the 200 yet, but we'll still be walking around. You see some more shops here in a little bit. But this is pretty much it. This is the Glorietta Mall. I connected to Landmark, SM, so they're all connected. Whoa, look at those guitars. This is RJ guitar. This is one of the most popular guitar chains, instruments and stuff, what have you. Kind of like the Guitar Center here in the US, but locally made here over in Manila. By RJ guitars. So some of them are consignments, some of them are like different products, but mostly they're all RJ guitars.
We're gonna check out the bazaar.
Yeah, we call it bazaar, but essentially it's a little mom and pop shops. They've got their homegrown stuff, the crafts, textiles, what have you. Yeah, it's a pretty big mall. Hopefully when you get a chance to visit Manila, go to Glorietta. You're gonna have a lot of shopping, a lot of food choices, restaurants, stuff like that. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, what you guys think. You're always welcome to leave comments, and we'll always read them. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you next time, and God bless.